Welcome to Moralis Money, your gateway to in-depth cryptocurrency analytics. In this quick video, we'll explore the powerful filters that make Moralis Money your ultimate crypto research tool. Coin Age Filter. The Coin Age Filter is a snapshot of a coin's history, showing how long it's been in circulation. It's a critical tool for understanding a coin's maturity and potential. Buyer's Filter. The Buyer's Filter tracks how many new addresses bought a coin during a specific time frame. Even those with 0 coins who used a DEX to buy are counted as buyers. It's a unique way to gauge market interest. Experienced Buyer's Filter. For a more refined view, the Experienced Buyer's Filter adds a requirement of at least 100 outgoing transactions. This identifies more active market participants. Liquidity Filter. The Liquidity Filter measures liquidity changes within the time frame, providing insights into market dynamics and trading volumes. Holders Filter. Track changes in the number of holders within a specific time frame with the Holders Filter. It's a powerful way to understand the coin's ownership distribution. Moralis Money's filters are the key to unlocking hidden insights in the crypto market. They're versatile, offering you the tools you need to make informed decisions. Start using Moralis Money's filters today to stay ahead in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Like, subscribe, and dive into the world of crypto analysis with us. Thanks for watching, and until next time.